If you've ever written an email in Yahoo Mail and then couldn't find it again, don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find draft emails in Yahoo Mail in just a couple of simple steps. This is a quick tutorial, but it can save you a lot of time when you need to come back to an unfinished message, edit it, or send it later. And if this kind of tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to Yahoo Mail. You can sign in if you're not already logged in, and once your inbox loads, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. Yahoo Mail keeps your folders there, including your inbox, sent mail, spam, trash, and drafts. Now the next step is to click on Drafts. This is where Yahoo stores any emails that you started writing but didn't send yet. If you saved a message manually or simply closed the email before sending it, it should appear in this folder. Once you click Drafts, Yahoo Mail will show you a list of all your saved draft emails. From there, you can open the one you want, continue editing it, add attachments, make changes to the subject line, or send it whenever you're ready. If you don't see your draft right away, try refreshing the page or checking that you're logged into the correct Yahoo account. Sometimes drafts are saved under a different account if you use more than one email address. You can also use the search bar if you remember part of the subject or content, but in most cases, the drafts folder is the fastest way to find it. So to recap, all you need to do is go to Yahoo Mail and click drafts from the folder list. That's it. Your unfinished emails should be right there waiting for you. If this video helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.